lush. We're all living here in clover, and the mating season's over, so there won't be cause for anyone to blush. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck and pheasant, if they had them, would be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady, till we're plucked and off and ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, what is waddle, start to wobble, when the rooster cock-a-doodles lead along. We got hoops, we got chickens, we got whales and what we can. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the jar. She goes in for heated quacking to point out this, 'cause I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come down and don't be strangers in our backyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
You were water full of waddle, little chicks get moldy coddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers really get too flurry.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
How say flatters themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite glutton for this fat and form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But then those little ducklings hatch. That's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious, and I just can't get enough. As a friend who's a feline, you will see me make beeline for those tender little juicy bells of love.
It's called HONK. It's about the ugly duckling. Well, an adaptation of it, and a lot of antics happen. Really, he gets lost, separated from his family, thinks he's an outsider, and yeah, that's about it, really.
And what's your role in it?
I'm the cat. I'm the villain. I'm trying to eat the ugly duckling, and kind of chase him across various farmyards, trying to do so.
Great.
Yeah,
Everybody loves a villain.
yeah, I guess.
You like being hissed at?
Yeah, Dot, who works here, likes to hiss at me quite a lot. I don't know why, but yeah.
So how long is like the pre-production and the rehearsing and everything up? This is the first since your auditions, really. How long is this? How long is the?
Well, we had our auditions back in, it was about March time, I think, and we've been rehearsing ever since then. And this is our first dress rehearsal today, so.
How are you feeling about it?
Nervous, but I guess you gotta have pre-show nerves. So confident though, I guess.
And when you open?
Tomorrow night, Thursday, the 16th of July.
And how long's it run?
For 3 days, or 3 nights even.
You feel confident about it?
Yeah?
Okay.
I guess you got, huh?
Tell us about the arts kind of foundation you're involved with.
Well, I'm a member of ACT Aberdeen, which is the senior group of it, and we basically have a Christmas thing, and then we do a main show every year, but this year we're partnered with the juniors to create this show.
And do you think after this you'll be straight on to the next one?
No, I think we take a small break and then we're on to the next Christmas thing and then on to the next show after that, which I don't know. I think it's going to be just a senior one, so looking forward to it.
This one's different. And there's different. And there's different. Oh my word! You're nothing like your brothers and sisters there. Different.
Basically, there are all these other animals trying to help him find his family again. And there's the evil villain, the cat, and he is trying to eat Ugly because he's big and fat, and unlike the other ducks, looks very, very tasty. My role is Lowbutt, which is basically a hen with a ginormous bottom. Ginormous meaning ginormous. And basically, my scene is me being insulted from my large bottom. That's pretty much my scene. So yes.
So, what do you do here all day?
Well, we sit and chat and sit and chat, and sometimes I will arch my back and let flies fly from my fur. Then we sit and chat and sit and chat, and sometimes I will lay an egg.
I played Dot the Goose. I'm one of the first characters that Ugly meets, short for Ugly Duckling obviously, and we try to find his farm for him, but sadly don't make it. Yeah, that's my tragic ending out of this play.
Where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother on the lake. I think it must be in that direction. I saw some ducks fly over a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it's probably the fast flying mission. What?
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard the ground to air? Bang bang! Pop pop what?
No.
So we're doing Honk, which is the tale of the ugly duckling, and yeah.
What is your role?
I'm Billy, one of the ducklings, and Tadpole. It's been really fun.
You're going to keep going with acting? Singing?
They're the most pretty ducklings I've ever seen. Quack, quack. They look like their daddy.
Hi, I'm Craig and I play Ugly in Honk.
I'm Jessica and I play Ida, who's Ugly's mum.
Okay, what's the play about?
It's basically, I come out of my egg and...
It's the story of the ugly duckling, essentially.
Essentially,
yeah.
yes. Story of the ugly duckling, and I basically, through most of the show, I have no idea who I am. I want to try and fit in with everyone, but everyone doesn't like me because I'm ugly.
Have you guys worked together before?
Yes.
Yes.
A lot.
A lot.
You guys have done some stuff before? Okay,
Yeah.
great.
But most of the cast are new. Like most of them, this is quite, like Castlegate's been around for a while, but a lot of the members that are part of the company now only have joined in the last year, so it's really exciting.
What's good is we've got a various age range as well, which is...
What's the age range?
Well, we've got
7
to
like late 20s.
20s.
I'm not a duck. I'm not a duck. I'm a swan. Mama.
You
Yes.
How'd you feel?
Excited.
I'm excited, yes, definitely.
But nervous as well.
Yeah, good nerves. So.
Yeah,
Yes.
good nerves. It seemed to go really well. It's hard to know when you're part of it, but
Yeah.
it's really good.
Look at